Everyone likes cola. And today we're making pizza with a cola. Yeah, it will be special. Actually, it will be part of my pizza. And I don't know what will happen if we add, cola to my pizza. So, pretty basic stuff. We will substitute water to cola. Yeah, just like this, and we will make pizza dough with it, and we will see what will happen. So let's try it out. So, classic Neapolitan recipe. And I don't think we need salt in this recipe, because cola should have salt, but just in case we add some salt, just a pinch. Then some flour. And active dry yeast. Yes, it's easier to use, so we add in some active dry yeast to flour. So now we just mix it up with a spoon. Yeah, and we will be ready. So let's go. Maybe some oil. Yeah, just a little bit oil. Let's add some oil. It will be good. I don't know how it will turn out, so let's mix it out and see what will happen. So I guess it's pretty mixed up. It's totally smelling like cola. It's ready, guys, ready. So now we just let it proof for 1 hour. So after hour and a half, our dough is ready. Let's see, it's proofed really fast, incredible. Let's add some flour and make this beautiful dough to pizza. Yeah, it's proofed really nice. You see the bubbles, very cool. And of course we need beautiful pizza bowl from it first. So you see, it's beautiful bowl. So add some oil and leave it for rest for 1 hour more. And so this is our cola pizza dough. Incredible. Look it. Okay, let's make pizza with it. But look first. Okay, incredible stuff. Okay, from bottom to top. Okay, Napoli style pizza dough from cola, Napoli style, just like this, guys. Okay, some sauce, nice grated cheese, salami. Oh, beautiful stuff. Okay, let's go into the oven for 10 minutes and see you, bro, in 10 minutes. Okay, what we have here? Oh, look, gorgeous. Oh my god. Look here. Look, what a beautiful texture. Soft texture. It's actually really cool. Oh my god. This texture, this taste. Let's try it one more time. It's just best pizza in the world. You can try it at home, guys. It's awesome pizza. But if you want more recipes, just go to my channel and watch these other videos on screen right now.